Gen 2 and everything. I wouldn't have filmed this, but this is a Valmet.
Niin, testausketti ja Tammelan Puistokatu 21.
Valmet built in 1986. Modernized in 2004 by Otis. 8 versions or 630 kilograms. VS 7081, V1 S6 1432. 8 floors. 6 is locked off, 5 is open. It's going to be inspected this year, 2019. And also this year, this modernization is turning 15 years old. In 2021, this elevator is turning 35 years old. But sure, this would have been an amazing original as it had those Schindler R fixtures, probably.
Yeah.
But we know how it was. So, we have the theory, we know how it was. But this here's one staircase, maybe we can try another staircase, see if there's another one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can try it.
Inspected by QI, inspected and maintained by Sinno.
Yeah, just back to floor 1. There's a parkit also, but I don't know if we can go through that, we can go to another staircase.
Yeah.
Let's try it. Yeah, we can always try it. But B is actually, yeah, there's the middle floor there that we saw from outside.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so it's, yeah.
That's
Actually, I think it was in Valmet with Otis.